Good morning, folks, and welcome back. Today we are, well, a lot of things are changing today actually. Today we leave the villa, and for the first time in exactly a month since arriving in Turkey, we're going to be leaving James and Courts and Meeks. They're going their way, we're going our way. I think we're meeting up in about a week because we're having a little meet up in Turkey. So yeah, if by the time you watch this it's probably been the meet-up, but hey ho. Yeah, we're meeting up in Turkey, just having a little meet-up. So yeah, we're going to meet them back there along with a few other people. But for now, got to pack the van, put everything back in there and see what's going on. But I think the main thing, Coop's going to miss the house. I think Coop's going to miss Courts and Meeks as well, and everyone else that's been here. Philly and Keely have been staying for the last couple of days for New Year's as well. So he's had a lot of attention, he's had a lot of space, a lot of sofas as well. There's a lot of noisy birds as well. Hey ho. Crows. The noisiest bird ever is a crow. So anyway, yeah, pack the van and let's get going. Come on, pal, back in the van. Good boy. Come on then, folks. It's like, no. What's this? I want to live in a house if you don't mind. There's more space.
He's a good boy. Come on. Come on, can
Come
you do
on,
it?
Poops.
Yay. Can you go in your bed?
Good boy.
Good boy.
In 200 meters, continue straight.
So, I'm off to get some B-roll to do spectacular shots for John, of course. There's, if you can see the van, just there, peeking through the trees. So you get a bit of a behind the scenes Mandy walking up a rather big hill to like beehives and things. God, Turkey is beautiful. Look at this. Just look. That's amazing. Remember, perchy perchy.
Perchy perchy. So we got asked quite a few questions on the live stream, which were about preferring the house to motorhome, and I think they've equally got good parts, but as far as I'm concerned, I think it's easier to say motorhome equals travel and adventure, house equals space, but not so much going on.
Yeah, I mean, I do believe obviously there's pros and cons to both of them, but I think each has got the place. I don't think that we particularly need exclusively one or the other. So I can't really give a preference. Is it nice to get out of the van, not have to find park-ups, have hot running water for showers, loads of space
Flushing
for Coop,
toilets,
all of that stuff? Yes, it's absolutely wonderful and we really, really enjoyed it. But by the time we left, I more than ready for we're all more than ready for adventuring again. So and the van doesn't seem small. I was worried about getting back in the van and it being like, oh my goodness, it's a matchbox and it's small and there's nothing there. And I've just got back in and then I was making the beds and it was just like, yeah.
Back on the road again, happy place, seeing amazing places.
Yeah, what a very good pick for the first stop. I mean, the road itself was amazing to get up here. First gear,
Lots of first gear and lots of gravel spinning.
Yeah, but I mean, what a way to kick off the adventures again.
Yeah, absolutely. 2022, going to start right at the top. So, you know, expectations are high right away, aren't they?
Yeah, just don't fall off the edge over there.
I'll try not to. There's a long way down. That's another epic adventure.
Yeah.
So I think at some point we will have a base, and we've said this a few times, but I don't think it's going to be a house or anything like that. And I don't think I want to put my time and effort into buying a bit of land and building somewhere and everything?
I don't either, because that's, again, it seems too permanent yet. We've only been doing this for 2 years, and because of the situation, we've not had a chance to go and see half as many places as we thought we were going to. So I'm nowhere near deciding.
I reckon in 2 years we've probably had, at best, a year's worth of travel.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, we've obviously travelled more than a lot of people have, so we are very, very lucky for that. But yeah, I don't think that I've decided or I know enough about where I want to be to decide just yet anyway. So I think something static caravan-ish is perfect, because you could just set yourself up a couple of year plan for doing that, and finding the right place and whatnot, and then at least then we've got somewhere to go back to, and nothing that's going to be raiding the piggy bank too much too.
Nothing that's too tiring, that's too expensive, but predominantly that's going to stop us from enjoying travel. So.
And as much as we keep saying this, because the van obviously is for Coop, but seeing Coop with the amount of space that he had in that house was the best thing ever. That made it worth every single penny, you know, apart from all the things that we got out of it as well. But no, he absolutely loved it. He loved the space.
And we could see it in him even now. He's gone into the van and done something he never normally does, which is as soon as we park up, he goes and gets all his toys out and puts them outside, and now he's whinging. You can hear him going,
it's because we're not playing with him.
So he's had our attention for 2 weeks. Playtime has been whenever he wanted it. Sofa cuddles, all that kind of stuff.
And 4 people to do it as well. So we've been fine, because when he's on the sofa, we just turn around and cuddle. So Meeks will be sat on the sofa with him, giving him all the cuddles and stuff. So he's been spoilt with attention too. He deserves it, you know. But yeah, has he gone back in again? He's probably gone in for another toy. I think. What have we got? Oh, there we go.
Oh, he's come back out again.
6 toys. That might be all that are left within reach. So yeah.
So in a little bit of summary, we plan to do this for some time yet. Don't see any reason why we can't. Even with the current situation stuff going on, we still manage to travel, as you can see. But I think soon we will look for some sort of base. Probably in the UK as well, maybe France. But certainly travel from that base as often as possible. So. And
it'd just be nice to have family round. Our daughter and grandson and son-in-law especially, just to have somewhere where we can all be, and it'd be a bit of a break for everybody to do stuff like that, and then, you know, for them to use it, which if it is in the UK, then that's perfect. So yeah, just somewhere there's a bit more space with a bit more of everything for short stops in between the bits of travelling and stuff. So
we thought we'd make a little bit, don't want to call it a van chat Tuesday, but it's a van chat
Sunday.
But yeah, we thought we'd make a bit of a video about it rather than doing part in the vlog, which might seem a bit weird. And Mandy sat this way because people apparently complain that I make Mandy smaller in the videos by being in front of her all the time and holding the camera. So yeah, we just wanted to make sure that you understood that no, it's just that I hold the camera because Mandy after about 2 seconds goes, it's too heavy.
It's too heavy.
And let's face it, she is almost 8 inches smaller than me. So
I am a short ass.
So she's always going to appear short and frame.
And if we have to get the lighting right sometimes, so I can't stand on my little step to give me a little bit of extra height. But yeah, I don't know if I like this, looking at that. I don't know if I like you being shorter than me. I like having my big hunker man towering over me.
Right then. Should we get back to enjoying ourselves?
Yeah, I think so. I think we should get the chairs out, because look at the sunshine. It's amazing.
Well, I'm having a new regime this year because I need to get on top of my editing a bit more. So whilst you sit outside in the sunshine, I'm probably going to be sitting inside where all the power is. Although I could bring the power oak out.
You could.
But anyway, yeah, I'm going to sit inside and download the footage and edit some videos.
Wow. Look at you. Start as you mean to go on.
Yeah, I might even do the review of the Garmin sat nav.
You've had that footage for ages.
Which will be on the other channel, Gadget John. So if you are interested, go watch the other channel.
Yep. Go watch it anyway.
But for now, we'll see you on the next one.
You will.
Take care,
Thanks so much,
guys.
guys. Bye.
Bye.